Hello students, now we will start question number 8 from exercise 6.5. Question is the diagonals of a rhombus measure 16 centimeter and 13 centimeter, 30 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Now what is rhombus? This shape is our rhombus. These two diagonals are there. Now here the perimeter of rhombus is 4 into sides. So here this all sides are there. So if we will get the measure of one side, so we can add all this side, or we can multiply all that side with 4, that one side with 4. So then we will get the perimeter of rhombus. But here two diagonals are given. So here in the question the first diagonal is given 16 centimeter. So here we are assuming that this diagonal is in rhombus is 16 centimeter and the bigger one is 30 centimeter. So from that, first of all, here we can see this all triangles are right angle triangles. Here you may see one triangle is been formed. So this all are right angle triangle, because here you may see the measure of this triangle is 90 degree, and here also you can see that this leg is there and it is perpendicular to this one, and a hypotenuse is also there. So here we can use Pythagoras property. So here I am showing a clear figure. So here you can see rhombus ABCD, its diagonals AC and BC intersect each other at point O, and here we can see all the triangles are right angle triangle. So here if I am considering this triangle AOD, or triangle AOD, or you can consider any triangle. So this triangle is right angle triangle. So in that, first of all we can use Pythagoras property. So to use that, we need the measure of this side OD and OA. So for that, what we will do, here you can see this side OD, for this side OD is equal to the length of BD is given, which is how much, the diagonal BD is given 16 centimeter. So for that, what will I do? I can write 1/2 BD. Why? Because this line is equally divided in these two parts. So BO and OD are a part of line BD. So from there I will get the measure of OD. So I will divide this BD into part, then I can get measure of OD. So OD is what? BD divided by 2. So 1/2 BD, I will get the measure of this one. So 1/2 into 16, 2 8s are 16. So here I will get 8 centimeter, which is the measure of this length line leg OD. Now for this OA, similarly we will do the same thing. This whole line segment AC is there, and that is divided by these two parts AO and OC. So here if I will do AO plus OC, then I will get the full line segment AC. So for that, here I can write that 1/2 AC, or AC divided by 2. So 1/2 AC is equal to 1/2 into AC is how much? 30, which is already given in question. So here we all know 2 15s are 30. So 15 centimeter is the measure of this portion. So OA is 15 centimeter. OD is how much? 8 centimeter. So we are having the measure of two sides, and a hypotenuse is there. Now we all know by Pythagoras property, the hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of legs. So from there we'll get the measure of this side, and all this side, remaining three sides are equal, and from there we can find the perimeter of rhombus. So for that, line segment AD is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle AOD. Therefore, by Pythagoras property, now here in this figure we can see that AO square plus OD square is equal to hypotenuse square AD square. So here I can write that AD square is equal to OD square plus OA square. Now therefore AD square is equal to OD square is how much, which is given 8 centimeter, 8 square, plus OA square is how much, 15 square. So therefore AD square is equal to 8 8s are 64 plus 15 15s are 225. So therefore AD square is equal to, if I will add 225 plus 64, then I will get 289. Now 289. Now this is the measure of AD square. I need the measure of only AD. So for that we will take prime factor of 289. So after solving the prime factors of 289 or under root 289, we'll get AD square is equal to 17 square. Therefore AD is equal to how much? 17 centimeters. So this is the measure of this AD. Now question is not over yet. Here we have to find the perimeter of rhombus. So for that, what we will do, here we will write perimeter of rhombus. Now perimeter of rhombus is equal to 4 into sides, because all the 4 sides are equal in rhombus. So 4 into measure of one side is 70 centimeters. So in a rhombus all 4 sides are equal. So here what we have to do, 4 into 17. So here if I will do 4 into 17, we all know 17 4s are 68. So 68 centimeter is the perimeter of rhombus. So here we can write at last, thus the perimeter of rhombus is 68 centimeter. So here we are completing this question. If you are having any query or doubt in this one, you may ask me in comment section. Here we are completing this exercise in this chapter 2. So if you are having any query or doubt regarding this, you may ask me in comment section. Thank you.